Let's see how to set iPad view in Pubg Mobile in Android. In the first step, tap on Settings. Next, navigate to Display and Brightness. Later, set Screen Zoom to a smaller option. In the next step, tap on Settings. Now open Graphics menu. Now choose Smooth for graphics. Then modify frame rate to highest. In the next step, launch Pubg Mobile. Now tap on Settings. Now open Display Options. Later, change notch and screen ratio. In the next step, download a virtual space application. Later, duplicate Pubg Mobile inside it. Now, launch the copied version and play. In the next step, install a DPI adjuster tool. Next, slowly increase the DPI value. Later, save the change and check. You are good to go.